Hey everybody! Oh, who's joining us? Who are you?
Jaden.
Jaden. I am here to film my quick 6-week update. As anybody knows, 6 week is really not a whole lot going on, and so there's not a whole lot to update. So like I said, today is week 6, day 1. I have felt in the last week, these pregnancy kind of updates are kind of weird because it's not how I felt in week 6, it's how I felt really in week 5. So how I felt week 5 is I was nauseous off and on. It wasn't anything that I couldn't maintain or it didn't affect my daily life. Just felt kind of nauseous and gagged here and there. I only threw up a couple times, but most of those times is because I had something triggering me. I have another little boy that we're watching and they're like fighting. Anyways. I have actually lost 2 pounds since I found out I was pregnant, which is the goal. I'm trying to lose weight rather than gain for a while because I was already overweight. So I have lost 2 pounds since I found out I was pregnant. I've been feeling kind of sick and I'm just at that like uncomfortable, any of you that have been pregnant before know, I'm just at the really uncomfortable stage where you don't look pregnant and you won't look pregnant for a while, but you're bloated and the bloat like won't go away. So your stomach is like poofy and hard. So you just look like you suddenly gained a ton of weight and you just feel really self-conscious because nobody really knows that you're pregnant. And so they're not gonna be able to tell, they're just gonna look like you were fat. Since I found out I was pregnant, I started losing my voice and it just comes and goes. Like I have said in another vlog, it doesn't hurt. I never had a cold, nothing. I just like have lost my voice. So I'm hoping it's not like a pregnancy thing that I'm going to have the whole time because that's going to make my job nearly impossible. My eyes, they do this with both my pregnancies at the beginning, like hurt. And so the contacts keep like bubbling off. I don't know what is causing that, but it's done that for my other 2 children as well. There's JoJo. We're going to go get some lunch, but that's all that has happened with week 5 into my week 6 update. Hopefully this next week it will be the same kind of losing weight and not throwing up. Hope you guys are doing fantastic. I'll talk to you later. Bye.